This is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, the second successor to the device that popularized the concept of minimal bezels and the use of a ceramic back. That device we should all thank for the struggle of an all-display form factor, and since day one, without a notch. Reporting from Shanghai, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's unbox the goods. I'm going to have to say that for me personally, this is a true treat. 2 years ago, I drooled over the original Mi Mix, but given the fact that it was a concept phone, I never really got my hands on one. The Mi Mix 2S comes in a very minimalistic box that just has the word Mix. Tucked inside we have the phone to the left, and to the right we have a wall charger, a USB-C cable, all in black, which is great. Beneath the phone, we have a box of literature, a SIM ejector tool, a USB-C to 3.5mm dongle, sadly, and there's a case wrapping everything around, which we'll discuss in a bit. First, let's just remove all this plastic off. Oh yeah. Okay, let me start by saying, wow, this ceramic blend with 7000 series aluminum feels fantastic in the hand. It's definitely reflective, so much so that it's really hard to film this phone in this hotel room, but I'm glad that I picked the black version instead of the white. Not to subtract any sort of praise for the white and silver model, but I really like this gold and black finish. And as for the case, I do love how it blends with the phone, making it look like a solution for whenever you want to go matte instead of glossy. The Mi Mix 2S is the second device today to launch with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. This particular variant is the most expensive one at 8GB of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. The storage is sadly not expandable, but there are dual SIM capabilities, and we also finally get another phone that supports fast 7.5-watt wireless charging capabilities, along with a 3400 mAh battery. This is a 6-inch IPS LCD at 2:1 aspect ratio, 81.9% screen-to-body ratio, and 1080p plus resolution. To assist with the lack of a notch, we have an ultrasonic sensor tucked in for proximity and a minuscule speaker at the top. Probably the most controversial aspect of the original Mi Mix makes a return, and it's the selfie camera at the bottom right with 5 megapixels, an f2, and 1.4 microns, which is still just so awkwardly placed. Now, the main story of this phone is really the primary cameras. We have a Sony IMX363 sensor at 1.4 microns on the primary shooter, giving the sensor twice the size of the iPhone X. These are actually two 12-megapixel cameras, the first being at f1.8 aperture and the second of f2.4 and telephoto capabilities. Xiaomi made a big deal of its DxOMark score of 101 in photography, though the combined score matches that of the iPhone X at 97. The company claims hardware-based multi-frame noise reduction that's unique to competitors, and the results really prove it. I mean, this is not final software, and this phone pulls out some really good photos. I'm even really impressed at the portrait shots, and again, all this is hardware-based. Yes, this is MIUI on top of Android 8, which has many elements to make it unique from other Android phones. There's also a huge push to AI here, not just in the camera where Xiaomi claims an insane 206 scenes being able to be detected, but also in how the phone interacts back with you. Sadly, I wish I could dig more into detail, but that will have to wait for our full review as our unit gets updated to a final version that's ready for consumers. So yeah, this is the gorgeous Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. I've been using it for the past 2 days already around Shanghai and now Shenzhen, and I will tell you that this phone is a beautiful piece of art. I really can't wait to tell you more about it once our review comes up in the next few weeks. While that happens, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.